Welcome to the Compost channel. Today, we're going to explore a completely new approach to soil. Traditional composting often wastes a lot of time as well as valuable nutrients. Instead of waiting, let's put organic matter directly into the soil and let nature handle it on its own. Today, I'll share 6 golden principles to turn your garden into a perfect ecosystem. Forget about bulky compost bins, because the secret to fertility lies right beneath our feet. The first principle is direct transformation. Instead of piling up waste, place it right on top of your garden beds. Kitchen scraps and plant residues will provide immediate food for microorganisms. Earthworms and beneficial bacteria will quickly gather to break down the organic material. This process happens completely naturally, without requiring you to turn or mix it every day. Nutrients from the waste seep directly into the soil, allowing plant roots to absorb them immediately without loss. When you place waste at the base of plants, it naturally turns into a dark, rich layer of humus. This mimics the principles of a natural forest, where fallen leaves become natural fertilizer. This method is especially effective for large gardens, saving you maximum time on cleanup and maintenance. Rainwater dissolves minerals from organic waste and carries these valuable nutrients deep into the soil. The result is nutrient-rich soil, always ready to nourish every plant in your garden. The second principle is permanent soil cover. Bare soil under harsh sunlight loses its life. Use organic mulch like straw, dry leaves, or wood chips to protect the soil surface at all times. This layer acts like a soft blanket, retaining moisture and providing cool shade for microorganisms. When the soil doesn't dry out or crack, fungi and bacteria thrive beneath the cover. Mulching also prevents weeds from growing, saving you time on daily weeding. Heavy rains won't wash away topsoil when this strong natural barrier is in place. The bottom layer of mulch gradually decomposes, becoming a long-lasting food source for plants. You only need to add new mulch on top as the old layer settles, maintaining the protective cycle. Even on the hottest summer days, temperatures under the mulch remain cool, ideal for earthworms. Covered soil can breathe, maintaining perfect structure without any need for tilling tools. The third principle is layering and diversity. Soil needs a balanced and varied diet. Green materials rich in nitrogen, like fresh grass and kitchen waste, fuel active microbial life. Brown materials rich in carbon, like dry branches or paper, create structure and stability. When combined in a ratio of about 30 parts brown to 1 part green on the surface, you create a microbial feast. Layering green and brown materials allows air circulation and prevents anaerobic rot. Diverse materials mean providing essential minerals for plant roots. Eggshells supply calcium, coffee grounds provide nitrogen, and wood ash adds abundant potassium. A diverse ecosystem attracts thousands of different microorganisms, forming a massive living network. The more types of organic matter you layer, the more resistant your soil becomes to pests and disease. This is the core secret to building a self-sustaining garden without chemical fertilizers. The fourth principle is integrating biochar. This is a powerful innovation that transforms soil structure. Biochar has a porous structure with millions of tiny holes, acting as a home for microorganisms. Before adding it to the soil, it should be charged with nutrients by soaking it in compost tea or liquid fertilizer. Charged biochar retains water and minerals, slowly releasing them for plant roots to absorb. It prevents nutrient leaching during heavy rains, protecting your garden's valuable resources. Thousands of years ago, indigenous people in the Amazon used this method to create incredibly fertile black soil. Fungi and microbes attach to the biochar, forming vast underground nutrient exchange networks. Mixing biochar into your mulch layer provides long benefits for your plants. The carbon locked in biochar remains in the soil for centuries, helping reduce greenhouse effects. You can make your own biochar from dry branches, turning waste into black gold for agriculture. The fifth principle is targeted fermentation, also known as bokashi. This is a perfect solution for kitchen waste. Instead of letting waste rot and smell, you ferment it in an airtight container with special bokashi bran. The fermentation process is fast, turning waste into a sweet and sour mixture without foul odors. Even animal bones, meat, fish, and dairy products can be safely processed this way. The liquid from a bokashi bin is a highly concentrated fertilizer, excellent when diluted for watering plants. After 2 weeks of fermentation, simply dig a small trench and bury the material directly into the soil. Earthworms and native microbes will treat it as a feast and quickly break it down. This fermentation method preserves maximum energy and valuable nitrogen without letting it evaporate. Plant roots will quickly grow toward the buried bokashi zone to absorb the rich nutrients. This is truly a clean, compact, odor-free composting solution for your home. The final principle is plant cooperation. Let plants create their own nutrient networks. Interplanting legumes helps fix nitrogen, providing free fertilizer for the soil. Plant roots access nutrients from different soil layers, supporting each other rather than competing. Mycorrhizal fungi connect plant roots, transferring water and minerals where they are needed most. When a plant is pruned, its decaying roots release nutrients that feed surrounding healthy plants. Fallen leaves from taller plants cover the ground, becoming mulch that feeds both themselves and nearby shrubs. Plant diversity attracts beneficial insects, naturally controlling pests without chemicals. By applying these 6 principles, you turn your garden into a biological engine of fertility. Soil is not just something roots hold onto, it is a living universe with billions of organisms. Respect nature, stop over-interfering, and let Mother Nature weave her own green tapestry. Starting today, return organic waste to the earth, and you'll witness nature's magic of growth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Compost channel to build sustainable, eco-friendly gardens together.